Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAFIT. Today's video is Yoga for Insomnia. Let's begin. Sit down comfortably in your yoga mat or on your bed. Okay. Use 4 fingers together and press on your third eye chakra. And inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Start settling down for deeper, nice sleep. As you exhale, relax your forehead. Relax your jaw. Relax your cheek. Relax your neck and shoulders. Relax your belly. Relax your limbs. And relax your back. Next exhale, bring your arms down. Now let's take Baddha Konasana, the bottom of your feet together. So use your palms to a little massage, caress your legs. And maybe a little bit caress, massage your feet. To bring blood. And loosen up joints. Maybe make sure your sitting bone grounding down to the floor to check. Maybe shift one side to the other. And now inhale, relax your shoulders. And exhale forward for absolutely no tension, no power. Just let drop your head. Use the weight of your head. And slowly, don't worry about posture. You don't have to keep your back straight. Just relax your shoulders. Relax your back. And let your head drop. And if you want to check any tension holding on your neck, just gently, slowly nod your head sideways and relax. No force. Drop your knees to the side. Enjoy the stretch. Stretch the back of your neck, lower back. And as you exhale, bring your upper body back to center. One knee straight, the other bent. Keep your heel to the center. And inhale, stretch your arm. Exhale, stretch the side of your body. Other hand inside of straight knee. Again, stretch, relax your shoulders. Soften your gaze. Maybe even close your eyes. Breathe. Try to breathe from core. Bring the center of breath down to the belly. No tension on your shoulders, neck. And next, exhale, bring back to center. Now, belly bottom pointing to the straightened knee. And inhale, nice and tall. Exhale, over. And relax your chest. And if it is okay with you, keep your toes flexed. And cultivate ujjayi breath. Breathing in through the nose, out through the nose. If you notice any tension on your upper body, use exhale to release any tension no longer serves you. Just simply observe your breath. And back to a little bit center and slightly twist. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders. And back to center. Now, stretch to the opposite side. And if it is okay with you, bring your hips up and try to stretch the opposite side of your body. Again, no tension on your neck. Shoulders relax. And bring your chest open toward the sky. Enjoy nice, good stretch. And back to center. And from here, twist opposite way. Now, back to center. Let's do the other side. Bend your left knee, straighten your right. And inhale, left hand, left arm, stretch. And exhale, stretch the side of your body. Serratus anterior muscle around rib cage. Try to create space. And soften your gaze or close your eyes. Each exhale, relax. Prepare your body and mind for deeper, nice stretch and sleep. deep, nice sleep. And next, exhale back to center. Belly button pointing to straight knee. And inhale, nice toe. Exhale over. Walk your fingers. Again, here, notice any tension holding throughout the day. This is a time, your chance to let it go. Use exhale to release, let it go of even any tension in your body or in your mind. And bring your intention only to your breath. Feel nice stretch on your calf and on your hamstring. And exhale slightly up and twist. Try to look behind. Again, no power, no tension. As long as you are feeling nice, good to stretch and make you feel good, you are doing good job. And back to center. And stretch toward the opposite side. And again, here, it is okay with you, bring your hips up. And open up your chest. Lift up your hips, waist high to the ceiling. Stretch the front of your body. And back to center. And from here, counter twist. And again, here, notice the tension on your neck. Little repeat. Feel free to fidget around. And exhale back to center. Okay, now let's lay down on your back. And right foot over your left knee and bring your knee to your chest. You can grab your thigh or your knee, wherever it make you feel comfortable. And let's take a moment. Breathing through the nose, out through the nose. Keep your shoulder blades wide and flat on your yoga mat or bed. Just tuning your body and mind for nice, good night sleep. Now let's bring your knees to your right. And open your arm and look to your left to the opposite way. And just drop your knees. And open your chest. Keep your shoulder blades flat on the mat or bed. Next exhale, bring your knees back to center and release. And opposite side, hook over your opposite knee and grab your behind your thigh or around your knee. And exhale, bring your knee a little closer to your chest. Inhale to lengthen your spine. And exhale a little deeper. And check your shoulder blades flat and wide spread. Try to keep your back really wide and spread out and stretch out. And drop your knees to the left and look to your right. Nice and easy twist. And bring your knees back to center. And let's take happy baby. Grab your around your knee or ankle or your feet. Knees close to your armpit, squeezing to your chest. Knee to your chest or armpit. Long, nice breathe. Make sure to keep your neck long and spine long. And release. Now straighten your knees and straighten your arms. Take final pose of Shavasana. This sequence helps to deal with insomnia. I recommend you do it before going to bed. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified on my future videos. See you soon!